So many people here will go on. We have some things to get in and we are going to get in it quick and fast. See? So the people here boss come out, you know, and address the things them where they must say about him on the media. Remember the little thing we go on where they must say boy, he must ask the woman for money and a bag of things. So she also come clarify some things, my people. So we are gonna get in at that and share that with Uno. I want to tell me what to think because here boss I say yo no for the people them on TikTok, them bad mind and them choose who to tear down. Also my people, me I go share with Uno down over our live and talk about the Shay and Rosalie and thing the little thing where them are going with. Seeing, so we are gonna get into that also. Them talk about the situation with Blinger and the woman where she and Blinger upon the live. So I want to hear what them say. I'm gonna go with my opinion on it. I also have some other things to share with you to my people. So here we go and we're gonna kick it off with Dan them and then we get in the rest.
I got upset Rose more. So that's why. You understand?
Yeah, me understand, you know. And then when Rose clap back, why she a cuss? Like, her cussing don't make sense to me. And it don't fit her, it don't look good for her either.
Because she is not a cusser.
Right. So she know there's something, she have her opinion, she state her opinion like everybody else. But when the cussing part come out now, she don't fit cuss, man. Lord Jesus. Because, you know, it's like, you know, she have a calm, simple, normal look. And me like that about her, but when she fi cuss, man, mighty God, man.
If people them pan TikTok, you know, no matter what people come pan TikTok, you know, and then say then nah go cuss, and no matter what you do, people then if it just dry you. And like I said, Jesus Christ, me hold it. But you just can't hold it no longer. You understand? But as me said, things are gonna happen on the app, and people are gonna just express themselves because it might be not affect you, but it will affect the person. Yeah.
Me understand that. Me not say no, you know. Me not say no, but you see, you know, like when they say, cause no bring good word, and the good word where she a say, no good word where she a say, nah, make no sense.
The thing what I like about a lot of the TikTokers, them, let me tell you what I like about a lot of them. You see, when something happen to other people, them want to voice them opinion. But when something happen to them, and if other TikToker voice them opinion, them offended. Come on. What? All right, look. We just show you how simple it is, you know. You see, as long as the TikToker now go under your clothes and talk certain things about you or your family, whatever. Because, say, for instance, with what the incident will happen, you know exactly what people are going to talk. People are going to say, no, man, she shouldn't say nobody going to do nothing. And everybody knows say, I in that, and the whole of them faced it, and you left that, and you gone somewhere else. But if you are going to say, them feel like a blood clot, and she this, and she, it come like, yeah, opinion. That means that you know, have nothing against the person. But a lot of these TikTokers, when stuff happen to other people, everybody are going to voice them opinion because guess what? You're in front the phone. The people them where text in the comment, them are going to text you and make you know what I go and say. Dan, you know, you said that one over there so last night. So you know, when you hear, you're going to say, hey, so what? Come tell me about here. You're going to say, I saw me see it last night, Baba. Me don't know what about people are what. And you just voice your opinion. But when we get to understand with we Jamaican, if we have something against the person, it come like we go harder. You understand?
Take it personal and go harder.
Yeah. When it shouldn't be like that. All the way are us. And we're supposed to like anything we hear about anyone that we're supposed to can come out and say, blood clot in a year we're going over Tom Jones last night. Or just talk normal. You understand?
Exactly.
But a lot of these hosts, them feel like say you and them are enemy. And it shouldn't be like that. People are supposed to can just voice them opinion. And that's it, not no more. People take it, make joke and call it a day. But me don't know. Everybody just, me don't know. Something not right. Like this minute you see everybody in one table sit down, and the next minute you wonder what happened. That are the biggest problem. Me I wonder say what happened when
me I say she sit down beside her. She me not like she period point blank. Cause Sky Diamond and my sister and she and a Sky Diamond enemy, and me just period not like sometimes I sit down and listen to her cuss and me don't like what she say out her mouth. And if see Kitty over there and them attack 100% when I make no sense, and then just a trace and go on. I'm like, Kitty, this is not you. Yeah. Stop talk like this. Give your opinion and leave it as well. Whatever.
Kitty form alliance with Shay when Destiny did that about the baby. I saw them end up form alliance, you know. In the show, I don't know if them did know them one another from Jamaica. But That's how them did form alliance when the baby thing in attack and them I say them fi take down Destiny because of the talk with the you understand? I saw now I mean never see them before. That's when at the first time I see the two of them together. So she did advise her opinion about that. I say it not look right at time for them stop bring down the baby them and bring down the pit them and whatever. And another whole now you know say Shay and Rosalie have a beef, like a real beef. So if me just that's just my opinion. If Kitty never go over Shay, me don't feel like Rosalie it'll go so hard pan her. Cause you know I saw with Jamaican say once we see somebody with full enemy, you know, like go cross. You understand? We say them are hypocrite, as so we still. We Jamaican, that's how we are. So we know say when you say Rosa come hard pan Kitty, you know say true she see her over there. So you know sure it's natural for you all if you do it, cause that's how we are, our nature.
Yeah, me hear Rosa say it because you know she's on the side of
That's
shame.
how we are. Me that do it, you that do it, I say well I will stay.
But me not like that Kitty, that's all me I say. Me not like him, I already have a look of feeling about her and then she go do that now, it just make me make the situation better and I know me alone feel so.
Listen to that video, yeah. Listen to that video, yeah. That's sometimes I just look at laughing people, yeah. Listen to this.
I saw a video of this blood clot person named Queen Breed and this nigga. We don't watch the video first before we deal with that blood clot.
Queen Bree, what's up? Me just want to give you a word of advice, Miss Bling. Call me see, you can hear me? You know, figure no blood clot where you make too much clot trouble panning up, Miss Bling. You know, figure away.
Oh, the blood clot is Queen Breed. Where Queen Breed come from? Some of the blood clot talk to me. All the bumper clot you have the audacity. Figure this blood clot being like that. The Queen of TikTok. Right now you make blood clot being a one commit click. All you can deal with that right blood clot that who is you Queen Breed? Who the blood of a tougher? Let me tell you this Queen Breed. You know long me want somebody take down our blood clot. You know Queen Breed, me know you, but right now when you send me, you send. Flash up every blood clot thing, send me. Me and you all have money right now and send from blood clot, you know. You know, I want somebody take the Queen blood clot of TikTok, bring it down. You know. So, son, we go free.
Sure, I know people, boy, this Miss Blinger thing can't get all the blows. Every time I hear me, I feel after us. Yo, that girl ain't easy, you know. But, you know what I mean? Blinger them for know say, yo, enough people them deal with certain type of way. So, if this come on back to her, she have to just take it, you understand? And I don't know, disrespect things still, you know. It's just how this female ya do it, you know what I mean? Make it so funny, but you know really I don't like say go suck your mother or anything like that. You understand me? I want a nice little neat little style, and I just you see the build up. You see the build up. Like she say, you know what I mean? Me just want to give you some advice, Ray, and then bust out and say what she say. I just that make the people them love it so much. So we're gonna listen some more, my people. I want to tell more the thinking in the comment section, and then we go over to Able Boss and him girlfriend.
I want somebody take the Queen blood clot of TikTok, bring it down. You know. No, son, we go free.
So, big up Bree, me just want to say I wish Blinger knows because I come down for the woman. And that me out to say I wish Blinger knows how she can't happy.
One of the most biased bumbuckler community me see. Because here we are going. I know what you do for media and the problem is who do it. Only not split justice over it and not talk fairness. Because if you hate somebody, you just hate them. If you just hate somebody, you just hate them. This a person can get away with this, but this a person can't get with this. Now over this. Uno bias the exactly, bro. Una put this, my father. Una make it look like say anything happen. Una come talk about one gifter. One gifter will just start shoot big for me from March. Like say one person my thing revolve round. Me I talk about the long time supporter them and the long time ranker them and know me upon the app, you know. That lady they when the lady they start support me gone about 11 times for the me gone 11 number 1 already. I'm in the 13. Me got 11 number 1 of that ready. I'm in the 13. And one time that the lady ever put me a number 1 most and she most of the shooting. And the last time I get number 1 and a 2-point ad mill. Me I do this long before every TikTok. When I do over Instagram, nobody on Instagram that get promotion more than me. I want them have a bigger fan base than me. Make them talk. We are before TikTok. Who follow me over Instagram, me a post care a long time. And my baby mother can't come on this because she not control me. My business money, she can't tell how much money me I make off a promotion. I'm a look at bookings them. When ease on yourself, man. When you feel like a work list like some of the ranker and some of the people where when I make money and they can't see it. At 2 months now, me not go lie, me not play no match or do nothing. I'm in a broke. And what day me I travel, me just come from foreign over a month. I mean I do anything same way. How much I can give? How much I can stop playing match for 2 months and still have money? When a wicked brother now come make it look like the evil bars revolve around one gifter. Anything up now karma. A rare. No girl can come on this and say they mind me. No woman in the world can come and say them did mind me. Because they come over the live here. And out of your own will. No woman, mind who can come and say them pay my light bill and clothes and feed me. You hear that? And furnish my house and buy this and buy that. Oh, which woman? Make them come. You crazy? If you come on this and shoot, give me a mind, me, that are your own will. That a mine? So that means every rank I get give a mine? I am not the only person under up here will give the support half the year. All if half the year is still a mine. If all Bumbuckler rank I can talk. Where you come tell me say? Una a wicked bias community. Because when you hate somebody no good in them face. Because if this a person do that something that them can't get where. Hey! But if this a person did to the jump na them neck, a son to behave over here. A son to behave over here, bro. Let's be facts. Let's start the truth. That's all the operate. Una come talk like my workplace. And like you know my pocket feel like my bank account. Me I drive Benz before Louis ever shred Benz. Me I drive 3 cars before the lady ever come over here. What not talk about? Wanna speak the truth now, man? What the hell not come talk about? That is not even my biggest gift ever come from my life. can't tell them a generation them. Unbothered Queen, Ricky, Shakamara, Sharifa. You know how much blood clot gift that comes straight down? Wheezy Block, Chicken Trendy, Marcel Blues. Them people that tear up over here. From them come them a tear down the place. What the fuck? We don't remember what tear down our SWAT? We don't act like we don't remember them Bumbo Clan name. Everything I just one gift. And crazy. Like say even spend, every buy a slippers. How far money come from? All Father Scott used to turn ranker now. You know how much blood clot tear down rather Father Scott is tear down over this blood clot before he got on big ranker? Sidera was still blood clot there. And more than thousands of blood clot gift have moved from SWAT. The biggest industry come from over here, so. When you come like you don't have a memory, and me not talk about the new people them still, you know. Me not talk about the new people them, you know. Me not talk about the old people them. Only for split justice because only know my journey. And I watch my life and see me podium and victory them. The rank of them and the gift of them. And a one person build this. And she they far down the blood clot line. Supporter do that. Everywhere me turn me I hear one name. One to the rest I name them. And that the person doesn't support me for what, nearly a year? A 3+ year from me company, from me start stream on TikTok. Me a trend and me a fuck that. Me not talk about the newbie them, you know, cause some people new, you know. Some people new upon the platform, you know. Me a talk about the long time support of them and the long time rank of them, you know. That's all me a telling you. You know that. My thing a revolve around one. When you feel like me workless, when you feel like money are my problem.
Boy, my people, they must say a karma reach here, but still, but here we go on. You can call it that still. But me didn't know say from that woman they come out and she say what she say, and some of the people them were used to give him kind of look on that and I say no man, because maybe him approach them certain type of way. Me didn't know say it go really hard for him to go back to which part him did there when it come to TikTok ranking. You know what I mean? You hear him say how long him no go up on him no go up on TikTok. So him kinda not see the support where him used to get, and him not go really see that. He maybe have to go rebuild back himself and rebrand back himself because a lot of people draw away from him. You understand? I mean, know say him feel it some type of way because when you did make certain amount, you know what I mean, it did feel good. And when you not make it no more, you go feel a way. No matter how much you have, you understand certain lifestyle when you used to live, you must go kind of cut down on it and something. So, make you watch some more here where you must say.
This lady just started support me nearly a year. And this year in March, that the lady they start like she a monster for me. When the lady come on my life, she was a normal, she just show us 5,000 kind or whatever. That's me I tell you, I say, Jamaica, it's a Jamaica community. Me not give a fuck. No bias. One of the most biased bumbuckler community me see. Because here we are going. I know what you do for media, and the problem is who do it. Only not split justice over it and not talk fairness. Because if you hate somebody, you just hate them. If you just hate somebody, just hate them. This a person can't get away with this, but this a person can't get with this. Now poor this. When you bias. over this, my father. Una make it look like say anything happen, una come talk about one gifter. One gifter will just start from March. Like say one person my thing revolve round. Me I talk about the long time support of them and the long time rank of them and know me upon the app, you know. When a lady that start support me gone about 11 times for the
money out of a PayPal that's in my name, but that's his money. Even though it's going to my account, it's still his money. So he wanted to be petty and asked me for it in the chat. And it said something about it, you know, like where he wanted to send it and things like that, but that wasn't the case. That was just us doing too much on my life. I'm feeling good, guys, boy. I'm feeling good. I'm still doing Sundays, guys, in like 10-15 minutes. I'm gonna need a little extra time. I was oiling my hair. And I was like, you know what? I want to go live and address this because I saw like screen recordings. You know, I spoke to Abe. I've been on the phone with him all morning. But, you know, even though like we're good privately, I still felt like I needed to come on my live and address the money situation. I don't want people feeling, oh, me, I get Abe money and that's why I'm stressed out. He's okay. He's fine. But y'all are too harsh. And then people, I said, man, I come out media for come ball to them. You know what? I didn't even ball to them, but what? Cry about what? Abel? He's good. Yes, JC, I'm holding myself accountable. Because he was in the chat at the time. So I was talking to him in the chat. So if you were there, you would think like, you know, we were arguing about money. But he was just like saying things and I was responding. But you remember, I was the only one on the screen saying what I was saying. And then after that, I vented on my live about a few things that we had private conversations about because it was getting on my nerves. And then Mr. Screen Recorded on top mode. Not even the screen recordings, the freaking comments. Like if you go in the comments, people are saying things like, "Money done a me a runway." Money done a me runway. Money, what money? The amount of money Abel save, money can't done no time soon. He's a big saver. Yeah, it was a big misunderstanding because he did come in my chat asking about the money, but the money is his money. Of course he has to ask me for it because the PayPal is in my name. You get me, I said? Hey, Nine, I'm gonna start Sexy Soul Sundays really soon.
And I'll pay my rent again.
It will stop playing with me. I came live to be serious because I saw screen recordings about people saying I'm minding you. So I went live really quick to clear.
So people, you hear what she say, even the people them in the comment section, I say the money done, so she take care of herself, you know what I mean? So we are going to really see what is what, you know what I mean? We could just go and see if she dey run him for the money or she dey run him because she rate him, you see me? So we could see what go on with that. You hear she say, L0SE is a man who saving money, so him good, you know what I mean? And no one day now gonna make him broke. Or no 2 days, or no 1 month, or 2 months. You see me I say? Him have to live for a period of time before him start shake down anything where him did have. Because remember, you know, L0SE used to go #1 on a regular and a whole heap of money L0SE make on TikTok, you know. You understand what I say? So if he manage it properly, him can have him money forever. You see me? If him invest in a business and them way, L0SE, no? Him not seems like the person who squander money, or you know what I mean? Him look like a person who managing money well. So let me know what you think in the comments. We're gonna watch some more, my people.
I'm not joking. I'm being serious.
Okay. So if all right.
Able.
Yeah, so that you ever read? Didn't hear some broke.
Able, you can't let people and media get the best of you. You can't allow what people say to affect. Like, I don't care that they think that I was actually, that it was my money, but I still wanted to clear it up because I saw a certain or a particular person, I'm not gonna call him a name, said something and I didn't like it. Yes, Pinky Winky. Like, here's the thing. That this particular person called another person's name and tried to involve that with this.
No, man, I start my life, man. Just load that baby, man. Here I go.
I'm just saying, hold on.
Let's so Sunday, you know, a few people.
If you do good or bad, they want. No, let me up. I know exactly. So that's what I'm trying to explain to Abel. Like when he told me, like, oh yeah, people were saying this and saying that, and then I saw it for myself, and I said, you know what? I don't really care. It's just when you came in my chat, I responded, and I also vented in my live. But then people took it as like, oh, there's trouble in paradise now. That's a certain person money run out. Abel, I'm not even telling business out there like that. But one thing we know about you, you save. You save your money. You're not broke, but you're cheap sometimes. And that's what I say. I'm not being funny. I'm serious. He's very good with money. That's that one thing. Abel's very good with money. And he can't cheap little. Yes, he's a miser.
Hey, Phoebe.
I'm not gonna say how much money I said before, and the man tell me say I'm broke. But one thing I'm gonna tell you say I'm save in money. At times we're able to talk about certain moves he want to make on him something there, and he will say him not have it. And one day I see him logging in my account. I'm gonna say, oh, you tell me saying I no money.
Yeah. Oh, what never share that. Oh.
You can see it. So the man save.
Yeah.
Financial advice, and I tell me need to save on him something too, and I do. But the way Abel save him is a saver. Like I would say, oh, let's do this or whatever, and he'd be like, no, you know what, I'm gonna see how I can't get the money, and him have the money. I'm very cheap. You are cheap sometimes, but I'm just explaining that so they can understand. Like,
I'm not cheap with food though. Remember, I'm not cheap with food.
That's a different thing. I'm not cheap with food. Hey Coco, what's going on?
Yeah.
All right, what's the right term? Because I'm responsible, yes. But it's cheap. No, hi Coco, what's up, sweetie? He's cheap. On that top, he's stingy. I like that one there. Anyway, you're stingy.
Yes,
frugal. It's frugal, yeah.
No, spend wisely. Spend wisely is a real metaphor. A metaphor, the right thing to say?
Term, this ain't term. Listen, no, I'm not cheap with food. That's one thing. You see, when in there, LA, there's this restaurant called Status. They see it every day. Them apps still at $50 a plate. And they see it all the time, don't they, so?
I never feel good yesterday. But that's not the point, dog. That is not the point. You know me get. Me no bling on so no never turn my mind in a man. Cause you know what me get? You know, me tell you something. Me tell you the meat. Me tell you own in the state. You see, if me fit, uno say a karma. If me broke up, uno say a karma. Anything what fi happen to Abel, uno go say a karma. Yo, uno wicked enough. Enough the whole I know is so perfect in the bumbo clock world. Anything happen to me moving forward a karma, and it's like the whole I know I wait for a downfall for me to run with to say a karma. Most people go through depression. We don't know what is happening. I mean, alright this morning. Nothing wrong with that. Only don't know what. Yo, only you don't wonder what me do for me hate me so brother. Anything happen to me now. Moving forward, I me buck me toe a karma. If me jump off a bicycle a karma. I mean I look what? I used to be evil before me even going at certain things, bro. You see?
Some people, we have some things to get in. You know what I mean? Everybody's situation with him, woman. More give me opinion on that, my people, because me see whole heap of little red flags where me I say John was star, but here I go, my people. Dan, you know what I mean? She come out and she kinda this blinger for bring out the April boss and the woman thing out on Front Street. But from it up on the internet, a free game. You understand? Nothing wrong with that. Seeing and blinger must say she go keep a case on it or whatever. Seeing also my people, we are going to hear Rosalie, you know, I respond to the people them where I say she wrong for this DEF3ND and whatever. Also, Rosalie sent a strong message to Dan. And also, Rosalie get one say she not gonna reach nowhere in her life. Rosalie a block her blessings still, my people. Me not lie, me I go tell you no. Because you have to know this business called entertainment business, and you have to start from somewhere in order to reach somewhere. And also you have to take a look until you can get enough. So we are gonna get in at that also. And Cked and Shay them run up on Rosalie, my people, because Rosalie run off her mouth and them respond to Rosalie. You understand? So we have a bunch of things to get in. We're gonna kick it off with Shay and Cked. You see me? At this Rosalie, and then we get in at the rest.
Yeah, make up story about social. But me not have social. If you want me have a social, go ask Blinger. Miss Blinger can tell you. Who did the Miss Blinger live the day? Go and make she tell you. Big thinking, girl. Cause since you're not foreign worries, what is a social, Rosalie? What social good for? Cause you want a social worries. You have that problem there. What name social, Rosalie?
No, she a talk about blood.
No, sir. You can't argue with no girl when they are foreign, when they have a social. What is a social, Rosalie? Tell me.
Ask her if she can't go in her courts, go take out nothing.
So Rosalie, what is a social? Yeah, that too much foreign worries, girl. And the last time I check, a 2 plane them gonna need to carry you.
3 seats.
Them gonna need 2 plane for carry you, Rosalie. 2 plane.
Last time she was alive.
The one where people for blood clot go up and go sit down, you go think up your whole of this. As a matter of fact, a 5 seat you would have want, you would have full up your whole row. Your whole row you would have take up to blood clot because you're big and think. And ship have to bring you. Ship have to bring blood clot you, Rosalie. Ship have to bring you.
Yeah, me see she confess that she lied on TJ. I mean, I know how people still support that little thinking girl, you know, because she make the whole app bring down TJ, you know.
She have to go carry Rosalie anyhow. She have to go, what you call it? She have to go travel. Or she have to carry she. Yeah, she have to carry Rosalie.
I'm thinking girl, you can't argue with nobody.
Everybody you want come for. No, you must see a gone pan blood clot. Where you them with their far, you them with their England, they wear a bad mind.
Yeah, she bad man here, I know. Wanna start the party flop?
Yeah, she bad man. girl them, through the people them, book the girl them, and the girl them look good. Through the girl them look good. Rosalie take a set for the girl them now, come talk about the girl them no look good. Move your stinking self, Rosalie, you big and sour and think
about that. For the party, the people them party flap. Like you did go there, your bad mind.
All Rosalie can do is sit down on one chair. All you can do is sit down on one chair.
What entertainment you have?
One big gaming chair. You come about girl every minute and social and baby father. Rosalie go look for your belly and when you find your blood clot find your baby father. That me I go tell you. I'm not stop telling you.
Last in your crutches.
Baby father last in your thinking front.
I'm going to go England go to eating contest. Who can eat the most bun?
Baby father laughing at your big thinking front.
Who can name me most bun? I must that the share go England go do
no, but I lie. When you really check a stack, you know the chair a ball, you know. When you did not say when Rosalie check a stack, you chair a ball. I don't know how she shave. You could have asked me. You have to go ask thinking
Rosalie. Shave all. Rosalie no name shave.
Rosalie name shave. Rosalie not even. As a matter of fact, Rosalie. Oh, get Rosalie for argue with girl when near. And wax. Rosalie, who is you?
Rosalie, who the fuck is you?
Rosalie, who the fuck you? Oh, you want to argue with girl where wax and use near? Who is you?
The girl can look on them front, not the girl use mirror.
You alone use mirror and look if you are shave good.
You alone. Can you want to see if you are shave?
You alone can stretch and reach your. Can you big and think? God give everybody two and I may tell you. Kiki come suck me and come try me chat you all. Oh.
Bushes.
Baby blood clot minute. Yeah, talk about baby father. Yeah, talk about social. And girl where they are foreign. What?
What she talk about this man? Yeah, no say Kitty aside. No man no want them. Some man want you. If no man no want we, man
no,
want
she
you.
said she through destiny. She do destiny. They put up say my baby father. They will do maybe say my baby father. Destiny they put up say my baby father Batman. So I each run with say me take Batman and say me not have no problem. Any man me want take me take them from there have a.
How next man there with you?
Rosalie, at least me take the man them and gone, you know. But you still stay in a one, and one man alone want you. No more man no want you. One alone want you. One man alone want you with a 2-door fridge.
There's no one Rosalie neither. I see man style her big stinking girl.
But the man no want her. The man no say is him just a use she. Him just a take when can get.
Alright, some people, let me know what they thinking in the comment scene. What they must say about Rosalie can reach certain areas for, you know what I mean, clean off the ear them or whatever. I don't feel like say she can properly clean off the ear them. Tell me what they thinking in the comment section. But no matter how Rosalie big or whatever, then can't shame Rosalie, because Rosalie I go clap back anytime anybody say nothing. You see what I say? But more I know what started between Rosalie and them. More I know what started because we kind of lost to that part there. You see, but me I tell you people, Rosalie have beef all over the internet. All over. From Derek, you see me I say, to everybody else. The only person where Rosalie and them not in a things are most Ivan, Blinger, but majority of the people them on social media, them are Rosalie no good. And that kinda, you know what I mean, give Rosalie a little buzz cause anytime them say nothing, she a go class them. And you know people love the classing.
And she alone a provide.
And she alone a provide. The pitney them have a mommy and a daddy, and when they really check it out, she alone. This stand up
Yeah,
for.
no one. Then you come talk about man. Then people
Then you
really
come talk
about man.
about man and baby and all these things. By right, you're the mother and father in the pitney them life. Rosalie, move now. Rosalie, you're the mother and the father them in the pitney them life. Move.
What she need to go worry about?
You're the mother and father in the pitney them blood clot life. That me know.
Like man is accomplishment.
Yeah, go like the man is
All
accomplishment.
you talk about is blood clot man.
Man. Man.
Nobody no want a man. You take all of the man them for we.
Blood clot. When you can't see if you wash your front, I find the blood clot, man.
Go take man and look how man do you don't know. Like that.
When you can't see if you wash your front, Rosalie, I find the man.
Man,
Me
that's
nah stop till you. Any day you can't see if you wash your front, Rosalie, I find the man. Big thinking. Any day you can't see if you wash your front, I find the man and find your hole first. If you can't find the man, I can't. If you can't find your hole for wash it, I can't find the man.
And she talk about his blood clot man. Man. Roughly want body no want no man, and you alone want the man them. Take them no body have no man. Are you alone have man and look how your
You
man
alone
do?
have man and one man.
You alone want man and
Nobody
blood
she a
clot.
beg for name her after and everybody a refuse her front. She know she if everybody a beg for eat, figure her eat. And then refuse you. You know shame, girl? You have to shame.
Woman well want somebody taste her put every minute
And
here.
big and so and think.
Me gone so and think, Jede, but Jede put the friendship aside, I can't beg you eat.
Rosalie, go on allow me here, girl.
Put the friendship aside. Put the friendship aside. You want somebody name for you big and swart in a blood clot.
Everybody she beg for name her front, they refuse her. Everybody. Nobody don't want name Rosalie. Everybody she a beg for name her front, run left she.
Big and swarty.
Nobody no want name Rosalie front, yak. Are you for name yak?
Jede,
When nobody see
no,
upon
no. Him tell her no.
when anybody see upon the app, them fi say yak. And them see you over your life start like them fi say yak. Them fi just a spam out yak. Cause you think like a dog and cranny. You look like a yak. You want vomit when me see a girl. One little time you have a wow look. You go like you're somebody.
And the app makes you
New
feel.
name for Rose is yak. The new name for Rosalie, yak.
The people them on the app makes you feel so. These blood clot hypocrite people where you see ya. That's why I'm gonna look for comment section cause they will see money in your comments right now and cheer you on. And when they
Yeah, so me
they
know
go
them.
over there, go do the see. That's why I'm gonna look for comments. Nobody can come in and comments come tab. I'm gonna pay a comment section of mine because I know. Oh.
And them see one with blood clot over here. Yeah, Kitty, you go on and when they go over road, they said, yeah, Rose, you go on, done the girl. Me no want no to tell me nothing. Me she don't come for me, I'm go back for blood clot, she and it done. Cause me never trouble that big back.
Don't listen to them in
Jam.
the comments. I won't
Me never listen to she. Me never listen to the big back 2-door fridge.
That's
Oh.
why I block them off from my blood clot live.
So we don't know say I Swiss sleep party fly up. She go up on the stage and get a little one bus.
A little one hype. The crowd only cheer for you because you're big.
Thank you. The crowd only cheer for her through she big and she did beard that day there and wash her front good. One body wash, one blood clot buckler body wash. Or one bag of sod. One bag of sod she did use on her front so she did get a little chrome look that day there. One blood bag of sod.
I don't know say I saw crowd steer Rosalie. I saw crowd stay. So
One bag of sud she did blood clot get.
when them see
One
the
bag of
big girl
sud and
them,
be that day there.
when them
One
see
bag of
the
sud.
big girl them a dance, them cheer for them and so when them see the big fat girl them and so yes, I saw crowd.
One bag of sud she did use the day when she got Swiss sleep party. One bag of sud that's so come she get the look there. She need to use more sud cause body wash can't hold them cause they too think. And then love sweat. Then sweat like a dog, you know, like a hog. So they have a blood clot use sud.
Rosalie I go Vaxal, Rosalie stick so why you know. Them used to store Vaxal, you know. Anybody who go Vaxal can tell you. Rosalie was having a stick, them used to bull and be a stone, them big stone and
but for you see Rosalie, you see yak. But for you see yak for true. I'm new name on the yak.
So in a Rosalie thing, you know, my people, it seems like it's similar to Revenge of the Nerd. You see me? Being picked pan all your life, look down pan. You know what I mean? People say you're fat, all of these things. So she in a position now where she gained some funds. You understand me? And she reach in a place where she can diss back people. Cause you know them little girl we used to go to school and you know what I mean, them used to pan them and diss them up and you know what I mean, them not have much friends and them something there. So now we feel like that's why Rosalie is the way she is. All of the things them from in her past, she just let that out on anybody right now. But Rosalie, you have to be careful. You can't overdo it. You have to understand, say yo, not everything need a reaction. You understand? And when you react, you don't have to go so hard. You see me I say? But I think that's her niche on TikTok. Why she gain a lot of fans and them way there, so she continue to do it. You see me? But she have to be careful, as me say. But me know one to think about her.
Bobby, she used to sell that
she yak.
Used to sell Bobby and the little tree, the sweetie them with the lollipop them with the tree art pan it. Them girls used to sell Bobby at school and little tree art lollipop them.
Rosalie, you see yak. For you see Rosalie, you see yak. Remember guys, she name yak. When you don't see her, you say yak.
She would have just left school and go straight to town and go sell the peanut them with her grandmother. No beard, no one big dirty foot slippers, no blood clot. Rosalie along to Rosalie big and dirty, you know. Me I tell you now.
You see Rosalie, you see yak.
When me I go camp on Rosalie, I go Vaxal. One bag of dirty girl. And her uniform blouse under her arm, it look green. The color change. And she
you see Rosalie, you see yak. For you see Rosalie, you see yak.
She ever sweat no blood clot. So I don't know all of a sudden you become this. Man, when you feel like you're a top girl.
No, because through the people them on the internet makes you feel like she's that girl. And that may I tell you which in place Rosalie is not that girl. Oh.
Why? Them kid woman are
Them yo, you know say uno not easy over your door. Uno wa beard with body wash. We are all money long time and have no business. Uno make one dry-head girl. One pissy tail girl. One girl will sleep on a double bed. One girl will man night in and out. And call him thinking girl. Uno make feel like she has somebody and dog go up over you. Move. And but moderator lift up them girl there. Because we tell the girl go suck him mama. We don't know if you tell the girl to suck him mama. Moderator lift up them girl there.
from 2011.
No what type of people then Rosalie try not in a nothing with. No what the type of people them pan the app what she try not in a nothing with. Yeah? Rosalie move. Move Rosalie, cause just 2023, 2024 you come on TikTok, you start make little money, you feel like you're that girl. Rosalie move. Yeah, I pan the poor people them. Move. Yeah, I pan the people they must see one turn on and get them kinds. Move Rosalie. Go and go sell back your peanut.
That she
Remember,
needs to go do.
no, really and truly, I don't want you to sell back your peanut, you know, but really and truly go back in your brain and remember see a peanut days you come from.
But she needs to do a go back a bumbo clad school.
Cause you go like say you know remember see a peanut you come from. You want to argue with blood clot girl. Move man.
Clad, Diamond. Kitty watch me go see that video. Diamond said some people can't fit in a plane.
Yeah, me see it too. So I'm gonna see it.
Murder to blood clot.
Me see it.
It's a little bad mind girl. Me I tell a little girl a bad mind.
Everybody. Why you think that here? She have to friend up back Jaden because through the internet I beat her bad. When she and Jaden did attitude, the internet I beat her blood clot bad. And then say she too wicked and sitting. That's why she friend up back Jaden because through the internet she see the internet they are turned down upon her big suck.
Them say some girl can't fit in a plane, not true.
But Rosalie them and nobody, Rosalie them big and thin can look like yak. When you see Rosalie, you don't say yak. Rosalie them a look crumb. Rosalie them a born crumb.
She too much.
Cause she born she cranny.
She too much small. The internet makes you feel so.
Cause she born she big and thin.
All over live a class Steph London. I talk about Steph London. You can't pay 2,000 US. You can't. A class said the woman or come cartel now charge that for a dub plate. But Steph London can't pay 2,000 US. You also harder. You fuck your thing.
The bag of rubbish blood clot gay. Rosalie. I need to feel like she has somebody. In fact, she know why we go in a closet. Rosalie, me know she facts she know why I'm going in a closet. Cause one bag alone me go bring out. Rosalie, go on there, man. Go on, cause Rosalie really and truly no make sense.
Like we wanna see other people do. I know everybody can do Auntie Dana work. Auntie Dana, I queen for that. Some I wanna to follow fashion. That I want no problem. Wanna to follow fashion. Everything on a run. You know go and hear Dan name call. When Dan name call on a run out. What's about Dan? You know say you know a keep. Every day you know say you know a keep. But you know can't sit down by yourself and even hold 200 people. So how you not keep and you can't hold 200 people? Take 150 then by yourself because you know a keep. You know have no niche so you can't keep. You no make content. Only thing you do a fast in a people business every day. Not no more. Not no more you no do. Look while me say another one. Said this have to go try. Look into this now. Everybody know Jamaica man stay. When it come to the woman. Oh, you mean by you go try case with the man and the woman? If a man say in woman short. You laugh over that as a what? The Jamaica, but they jealous you. He must know where must see where we not see. Pay attention to the woman. Not because some of the man no care what they do. All when the whole TikTok turn pound, they turn them back. In care about female man, so if like him I say wait, all of a sudden you just pay so much attention. He might go say something. He might human and woman when love. Yeah, go say man care. Oh man if can't jealous of a woman when love. Think about that. And that's why if people them get dislike on I not see it. Because certain cases leave alone. Certain cases leave alone. That type people in life. Little jealousy, a Jamaica, typical Jamaican man, for jealous of the woman. My girl, go take off that, you know. Your bex, you're going to go take care of and put on something different. I say, I go on nothing. We Jamaica woman used to that. So why big deal on TikTok? Because a man say, in woman short, too short, that for trying to quote us. Says who? Think about it. When they hear about one that kill somebody out the road, do you say, but he have a wife or he have a woman, so who this is somebody? Them they sit there keeping a courthouse, because them they are bangara. But me realize say when you take people real life and bring it on TikTok like people don't have life, because true, you don't have no life. Because every day me have to wonder this, you know. Every day me have to wonder this, I say. Who's husband? Who's wife? I go sit down every day and see people are
People need to hear what the woman say from Bling Live. Say, yeah, every boss woman that a queen. She a date below average or average. So she a call every boss average and below average. The people. Every boss and her they for much months now. Every boss post up her on him Instagram, him post up her on him TikTok, him post her up. And if you go over queen with the vibes, TikTok, not able, not even one picture with she and able. What I tell you say, she's leaving room for a next person. Because she no post up nothing at all with she and able over there. Me no know about Instagram. You understand? And if you go on able Instagram, if you go on him TikTok, him and she. You saw me I say? And we no see one post from she about pregnancy. So me I wonder if she did really want Abel, or because Abel was the man on TikTok, why she draw to him. But now that both of us stumble on Abel and nothing now go and feel like one time, she want to get rid of him because man want her. You understand? So he's no longer in her league. Him fall off.
bring down them people on social media and not step in that one day, that the person not care about you, man. Think about it. Because if me have a man and me see them a beat him on social media, me go say you can't come off as me feel like me a go up back for me yard too, you know, because every time me go on social, them a talk about you, and when they talk about you, them a talk about me and this. You go come out and say something. That's thank. You go come out and say something. Once you care about the person, when you not give a f***, you just leave it. Or you talk one time, two times, you see you go about your business. Because the person has stop. It's simple. But me don't know why this girl always, when she hear me name call, she run out. Where she, who give up for you say? Nobody don't know you on the app. If I never RT run you out of box, nobody don't know you. Up to today, dear. Even one night time come over here and say it. If I never him run you out of box, nobody don't know you. Nobody who don't know you. Nobody don't know you where you come from, who you be on social media. Now when you run out of box, you go farm, you look alive, you have your 6 people, them your 7 people, your 10 people. And you carry a news to your doctor woman. That's it. You don't have no fans on TikTok. So me know all of a sudden you be the center of attraction. Me don't know how I go on. Me don't know why problem all of a sudden. But guess what? Dan I go be Dan. And Dan now run back on nobody. Yesterday me hear say you're on your live, and as you hear say me over how it go, you lack off your life. Like me, I say, are you obsessed with me then? And me you're obsessed with? Really? Okay. I no say them no one. I no say them no one. Don't me now my face, but you know them care. You never know say people that are so obsessed over other people. When you hear say them there somewhere there you want to go. God. What's up, my kids? How you guys doing? Me not obsessed over people like that. Really? So one more I'm pitting them there. Yeah, be a real people me have over here and I'm not no fake people over here. Tasha, me real fans them over here. No have no fake people over here. That way I say. But as me say, people can't pay RT mind because RT drop off a map and RT come back. Me sure know say when RT come back, RT never come find you. Because if you did a keep as well, you say you da keep. RT da find you. He never find you. He find me. And me no have no queen title. Thank you. Me no have no queen title. Who that somebody man wait? Me no have no queen title. Bima, thank you. Bima girl. Me no have no queen title. But I'm mean confined. Me come like the queen with the vibes. Yeah. Queen vibes. Thank you, Bima girl. I saw me come like the queen with the vibes. Me no fight for one of me. Me never fight for one of me. If me see a man and me like him and him not like that, me go about my business. Hold it more man out there. Hold it more man out there. What day I see you run out again? Yeah, say tell them to do this and beat you. Tell them who. With what? What you really are come with? Tell me. What you say you are come with? You throw shade. People where when them go somewhere they can buy something to put on. Can in a competition with somebody who can have clothes to put on all for the whole year. What you talk about? You don't have no sense. The things that me hear on a talk, on just attack them to be seen. And that to not do. When you come like the girl them when me see a get queen advice. Then nah no man hey. Who no can keep a man? For no man run regardless for no. Who no tell a woman husband like a who no the woman marry the husband better. So who no tell for no man to do better? When the boy never get the visa, me soon no come out to the no pick me say pick me boy if me batty this that a so no go. And now when boy get visa me soon now own. Una waganis, who no be? I saw now come to discriminate people every day on social media for people soon. That's all. Just the people soon. I have to call on a name. Blood clot.
So you are going people do it. Him go put up him youth on him Instagram. Is him data, but him not show her face like that. And boy, Queenie go live. Boy, my people, me I go share that with Uno after that and don't talk. You see me I say, cause boy, me know say Queenie can't stop love do it so quick and fast. So all Queenie are go on. You know what I mean? Can't stop love do it. So me know say even when she lock her door and in her bed, she a go crazy for the G. So as we done I say, you know what I mean? Enough people are give Queenie advice and I this do it. And them not in the position to give the woman advice or this the youth. So we are going to listen somewhere with Dana say and then we are going to go over Queenie, my people.
You come, you bring down the people, them you bring them down to the ground. All when you know them, you sit down in a bed, lie down in a bed. Night and night, you take on look at hard working money, you work a foreign guy, Jamaica, go mind the man them. And then when they know no more, you come on TikTok, can discriminate them. And when you see like look a light out for shine, you can't change your mouth. Lord, when they hear me, glad I'm this, go suck on the mama, me tell you, say, I son of I want to stay. I son of I want to stay. Me no know what really are going on this TikTok here. I don't know. So how I go read my mind and say me want to be queen? Which queen dey on TikTok? Because Blinga take a name and just call herself that name. So who me ever see nobody give a title on TikTok and say, see a crown here, and you are the queen. If you don't want to know who a blood clot queen on TikTok, you no go play a match for it.
You know, I like mix up. I'm gonna like propaganda, I'm gonna love baga. Dan, if me no bad mind you for the shape you buy, me no think me I got bad mind nobody for nothing. You see when Roger them and Diamond them and all of them that guy England, me did know that family get old. So me don't know when them reach England what I got bad mind for. As somebody come over my life, come type it, and me only read the comment and me not give two shit, and me not really give a damn. Me can't go anywhere in a world like anybody else. See me call you reach a foreign, anybody else can reach a foreign. Look at me na foreign words, miss. When you come off of my name. Dan I always say as a potential and friend, don't turn me enemy. Cause when you and cheese them in a store, you never hear me up me blood clot mouth. You come off of me. Someone not come enough up and come talk about. Me the call Steph London for me the call Steph London until I say me the one go somewhere. Me never call Steph London and tell Steph London say me the one go somewhere any at all. And them a call me and ask me question and me give them my price. And if I now work with my price, I go away, I go. So why? I say what I said to my people, them pan my live. Cause I never chat to someone, you know. I was talking to my people, them on my live. I don't see the screen of card and I go like, chat to someone, you know. I not chat to someone, you know. So like how it burn someone, you know, so I tell her $2,000 US. Why someone, you know, take up the proposal and charge her $50? I beg her. Someone if you take out the proposal, man, and beg her a suck. Beg her a suck and go on, go to the sound clash. Because he must have bun, no, because she never did call, you know. And me, she did choose. True? Nah, look.
Rosalie, come here. I'm able to talk to you. You don't know we are going to live, you know. You know? You don't have no we are going to live. What you mean Steph London paid you $2,000, 300,000 to come host one party? Rosalie, I'm not in the line, I couldn't even buy you one village food to come host one party. But you know, so I can't blame you in entirety. I can't blame you, you know, because Steph London too enough. Steph London is too enough. One interview makes Steph London reach out to you. Steph London never say just for sleep party, you got pay dirty people in there. You should charge her $5,000. Steph London too enough. She too enough. I couldn't ask you, Rosalie, for host my party. Number one, you not even have jokes. Number one, you have never hosted before. You ever host one party before? The largest people we ever talk to, the largest crowd of people we ever talk to, and must your shape. That's the most crowd you ever get, and it's just the truth. Me don't know who I hype you up. But you see, Winford interview, trust and believe. Your segment never boots them program. People never ask for an encore. You hear? So if somebody said to you, if you can't host the party, a bill Steph London and a bill where you are try find when name career. Nobody never tell you that you're a little bit on too hype. Rosalie, remember say I pay big clothes you have to wear. Pure big clothes. Always remember that because you're a big girl. And this is no disrespect. These are all the elements when you charge them, they might chat to you. When them check the levels, they might say, but you don't have no pulling crowd. Remember now, somebody will take you out of your element of begging and I'll give you a job now. You just come up for Winford and you host a party, a sound clash, as whatever it want to be. for Step London and you turn down that? Oh, you reach, you land, you arrive, you turn the airport.
People, Rosalina know what she do to herself when she come out and this Steph London and say what she say now. She don't know what she do to herself. It's like she don't see nowhere else like better than if you sit down on TikTok, because TikTok right now we are get the money right now. We not look for build no career. TikTok give me everything I want. Anybody want me to get up out of that seat yeah, and come and show for them. Me I go want such and such and that and my price cause me value that and ray. She do a career sabotage to her own self. TikTok is not forever. Gifters come and go. When them get tired of you, them take over themselves. So you living just for a TikTok because you make it on TikTok, you know. I hope say whatever you make on TikTok, you can control it, angle it, manage it, and flip it around and keep it forever. Because you just turned down the biggest highlight of your career where you try to build, as what Shibata say. It is a Red Bull culture clash. Steph London now make no money a fight. I'm not sure. I don't think Red Bull pay them. But whatever Red Bull pay them, if you get a little thing, don't mind that. You're building your career. You just come off a Sicily party. Just come off a on stage and we go in a Red Bull culture clash. After that, your boss, Red Bull culture clash, your boss, how much people are gonna book you and know you can charge a price when them book you, but people don't know. Say it's a stepping stone. When people are book them just think say everybody I use them, and that's why I tell about the chip with up on Rosalie's shoulder, and she reads somewhere you know, so she can deal with people anyway. Be careful, Rosalie. You know what I mean? That if you want a career after TikTok, you have to be careful. If you don't want a career, you know what I mean, it's okay. You can be yourself and do what you want to do.
You really turn down that opportunity because you have free money? Rosalie, you not even start yet. You don't even start as yet. You turn down. If Step London even want to give you $500 US, it better than donut off of the app. Because at night, sometimes you get all $120, $80. What's that even know? Yeah, vex to say. Step London say, can't tell that if not charge that for don't play it. Rosalie, let me tell you the truth. He's not a me. He's not a me. Don't do that. He's not a me. You know, say too many entertainers is on the app where commoners there. That is why we don't feel size up.
Blood, what kind of lie? I put it on because I'm paranoid, because it's like through me I go through, I don't know me I get drips. I put it on. That's the way I roll up when it come out. Why you think I can't explain it so? It hurt me. So I'm say everybody I take side with them. It hurt me. Man, somebody lady could have called me. When me I get married, me I say 2 weeks straight. That all the man yeah. Me so hyperactive. And Rachel said, Mom, what you doing in that big drawers? Take out that big drawers. And I say, oh, me I say my bad. I become a paranoid that day. I put on the panty chin and say, I want on the panty chin I want a little thin blood pad. What a panty chin I put it for? I'm arrested for the liquor. Take it out, cause nothing in it, cause if nothing in it, I go roll it up and put tissue over it. I'ma take it off and rest it on the liquor. You know the something with them have a Jamaica, the liquor grill, where them put in a bathroom. I rest it there. And by myself, on the toilet seat, do we say something to me, I'ma run out to him and left the something in there. And you dirty woman will say you're clean and decent. Couldn't call me as a mother-in-law. I say crazy. Be careful. Eh? When I take picture with my dirty, have a set to the family or the friend. And then I complain some mad. How much years I that lady? 4 years ago that lady. You understand me? So when me tell us God lady, all that wickedness what you do me. And I rude, I have enough. God say I know I'm not go mad. I'm glad them left me, you see. I don't know. I'm just glad every time I beg God. I say, God, don't make me go on internet, go call them name. But it not happen, so. The pod hurt me. The way the youth said to me. Me here do a long time too. Me just could have just walk away, so. Cause it's not easy. Mommy, remember, video me pod. Cause I don't want to be petty. I don't want to get up evidence when I did it like me. I want nasty, dirty woman when I meet in a dirty blood clot house. You gotta say me beard 3 and 4 times. Yeah, me and your son make sense, huh? Me always talk say my beard all 10 times. So how stink me can be so? How stink? Me not even feel bad about the stink part. Cause you know you're not stink queenie. But really, as a young man, I that you sit down with a decent friend them and I scan me. And that appropriate for your son do as a young man. That appropriate for your Batman son where they are Jamaica will do with your Batman will do with your feature. That appropriate for your Batman son where they are Jamaica video me where 8 blood clam me video me pad. What do we say man the teacher? The teacher man. Yeah, come take internet and a computer eyeglass. And your son a tell me come down. I want for blood clot come down and come see me upon this. I want to tell for come down. You have an eyeglass, a mag upon blood clot internet. Where you want to blog now? Dirty woman. You never have the decency of the vice where you come and impress the nation. How great of a mom you is that you defend your son. How? When you have the 2 boys at Jamaica live like back and belly blood clot rat. Right now the 2 of them want Canada same way. Cause the way I show us him have house or Romaria can't come to America. And him tell him mother say him for still file film no matter what. And when you can't chat to blood clot me. Same like when I fight me for the house, and son I fight do a fight him brother for the house. And the brother put him out of the house December. Where him rent. Because him say him associate. And the mama have to move you out of here, your brother and agree. You can't chat to blood clot me. And I lie me I tell. Him did a hype over the house where him left my for. And sabotage my one. You gotta get your one to all. Do it. Hey, Romaria can I tell mama if you still help file film still. You eat your blood clot, brother, cause him get visa before you. You saw him go find him carry one slippers, come get and take back the slippers. And when him used to go find him not carry nothing, come give you. And me come in your life and take care of you. And you want to destroy me? Everything I remember about you and your brother and your family, me I go talk about my family them. Cause me don't care 0 about blood clot them. But you care 0 about yours. I could have cared less about none of my blood clot family. Any one of them me chat them deserve the chatting. But did you deserve to talk all away? Your family, what you say about your family? You can't come make clean. You can't come go to Cutie. My friend Cutie love me from her hole in the blood clot wall and can't talk. And she miss blood clot me while she tear me down, so. But you read between the line. If Cutie never blood clot rate me deep into who the record you. All when she use it for mock me. She show the world the son of a bitch you are. Big up, come and clap, come. Me's at peace. When I make people look like me frightened over your come here, madam, and the boy can't even stay up long. Him for glad say him have waistline can go to the left and give 2 little ass clot. Good. Nothing to the boy. Nothing. You hear me ask him if me ever give him back to me. Never like how do it yet. Doing a good, sir. You know some boy will get you in that business to blood clot where am I gonna do to ass clot? You just in at the moments. No moments not that if you do with slam bam thank you, madam. Move your dirty blood clot. And hold your blood clot can a little boy. And go wash your blood clot fractal Miss Jane. Twin cow. Panty puddle doing. Me not ready for blood clot yet cause you have what it more there. Remember you have one girl by your phone where you say your sister. And the man where are your father. And you want to catch DNA because the man look like your father.
Hey, my people, and when the relationship end and end bad, you hear everything, you know, a lie on the ear, you know. You see me? But no one listen to what Queenie have to say because I know say Queenie have a lot. You see it? Because Dewey is a man where he look like same chat people. Big man thing, he look like him chat people because him chat Queenie with a whole heap of people. So me I wonder when him and Queenie used to that. Who him used to chat with Queenie so you can't put nothing past Dewey. Him mouth gonna get him in a trouble. Jado, boy do it. Queenie I gonna bring it down still in the dog. But them a play tit for tat, my people. You see me? Queenie, you know what I mean? I jab at Dewey and I expose him and Dewey I sneakingly I get pan Queenie nerve. Yeah, Queenie said the man can't walk her good and she always remember, you know. And she come say one man to her good, you know, and I big up the man, you know, and she make enough woman want to walk off of him, you know, because oh she a big him up, you know. I know she a go put him down, say Ray and Ray. Chano star, me I telling the people. Make me don't want to think, make we listen some more.
And that's why your father not pay no mind because your mother gave to two man. And the two man them look like your mother is a ooh. Me never have for the wriggle me that for none of my blood clot pitney them have 5 pitney me have for one man. You're done your mother. So if me come and diss your mother, or don't care what I tell people if me not hear you deal with your mother. You lead me to that. I tried not to disrespect your mother. I may never decide to her face. You record me and send them to her. And when you piss me off, I'm a come on the internet, come down her. Yo! Eat your mother, your mama eat you, and I want come fabricate story for me. Me not dead. And I might not remember them today. Me and him them yard and the teacher man I come with one backlog drink with him and brother. And him say, see, that's for lock up off. One wicked corrupted youth. What me say him say? Him brother and the teacher man I got lock up on because the man have a backlog drink in him and down blood clot test me. Send all where you want send to cutie. Because I'm big and pure and real. If them catch me and them me I go put up my hand to that. Because of my mouth and them shit. You do that. You're not real. And you're going to perish by the hands of the Almighty. Everything where you do, I declare them back in the name of Jesus and return to sender. Every weapon where you want form against me, I return them to center in the mighty name of Jesus. Doing Andre Scarlett, me now like no can go for you. A God and my can go. Me no walk over here. Me no do what? Me no walk over here. Yo, tell me say Trisha and the whole of our family them down a Painland walk over here. And them I go over here, me and me say Dewey. Me I over here myself. Yes, I me not forgot a Painland. Cause Trisha family them bad and them I go beat me when me look at you and the whole of Trisha family them turn back blood clot friend. Talk to me now, Dewey. You try scared me. So I'm going to Painland. I say do me love by the world. Trisha family them run them from phase 2. Trisha them down bad. Crazy bad people them. Move your little blood clot. Scare the cat. You go like you're bad. You can't prove nobody's me badder than blood clot you. You can't prove nobody's. You're just ignorant. You're ignorant and dark. You see the graduate all the way we scared away a mother. You hear me? The father of 4 daughters. One with an ex-woman or 3 daughters. One with an ex-woman and 2 more. The father filed for them and them the America and them not filed for Dewey. Dewey are the only boy. The man have 3 daughters. Dewey are the first pitney and the man not own Dewey even though Dewey have the man name. So do we have daddy issues and mommy issues? So maybe RT Morning, maybe the childhood trauma What the mother try and make up with you. Where there, I fuck the mama want, the papa want him, she for flag her father come for him in a June gone. When our birthday, and do it say to me, say, my father don't pay me no mind. But him a invite my mother, say she for come spend a weekend with him for fun. Doing, yes, you dirty blood clot, yo. Anything when me say about my family, them talk. Anybody me talk about me for talk about them. Talk! You dirty, nasty blood clot, yo. Him say my father no look for me and my mother him a tell say him I go put her in a hotel. No dirty blood clot. I mean, you know what scan? I mean, you know what scan? Me are the realest blood clot thing ever. Him over me. Queenie, my Obeah links told me do it and his mom set out for it. But as much as me no want believe, when me hear the man say, anything I pray for my sick, they just say the fly come from blood clot America. I trang. All when them come in the hospital I visit me, I ask at when I look back at all him face now, go so the boy having him heart towards me, man, him mama. You hear me? You hear me? I want girl house do it in America. And right now the girl I say she have to have a man when she tell them to test them. Me look like me want to do it. Do you gonna say me stink? The girl on here cook over the America. When me came go put him on the plane and him say I go a mother house, a cook house do it going now. And cook a message do it. When me and do it there at Jamaica when me belly. I said to do it say. Do it forgot check himself because she have this. The half has never been blood clot tool. Me clean and pure. So me you not talk about why then you know what it is for a girl go find out so them have whatever them have and call you as my husband to tell you say she wonder if you give me and him you forgot check yourself. Talk to me no do you want to put up baby? I go show you who name blood clot Queenie. You want to put up baby for bantan me? I go show you who name blood clot Queenie. I see if you can't respect me by blood clot marriage and naturality, or by force you gonna respect me. You hear that? Remember me tell you batty all. The war not done to all. Go and show shade. And understand yourself here, your woman.
Yo, that's why the young youth them have to stay away from big woman, you know, because if you don't want the woman, don't go mess with her brain. You see me I say, and this can turn out to be one of the worst things I do in life, although she make him get so much things. You understand me I say, yo Queenie say it not over, you know what I mean? And if you honor her in a marriage, if him not honor her in a marriage, then she a go use foot. Come on. Remember say you and the man left Queenie. You have to make the man live him life. You understand? And low him out because you say him can't walk you good and like you say him can't turn long and ray. So you have to just allow him, make him stay. How can him posting him daughter bother you? You understand? Him didn't even show her face, him just show say him have a daughter. So how that bother you? One thing me I say do it better watch himself. That's all I can say. And then Queenie I say he must have something. He must have whatever ray the woman them same have. So in a long time do we go out and him a walk them woman here without nothing at all. Him a go beer back. So me I say a long time him a go do him thing, you know. So you go say you clean and pure and him have something. And me know say you not make him use nothing when him attack you. Hey people, you see when relationship turns sour, at that the time they hear everything. But all the best to Queenie, you know what I mean? Do it watch yourself. So make a watch some more my people.
You got some me bring down blood clot, you know, no one bring me down. I win, you know. Me drop down, you know. Sleepless night, you know. I go silent pound a dirty blood clot, you know. And I work spiritual fight silent, you know. I rebuild myself, you know, so no matter how much ball, you know. Me roar! You saw last 2-3 years, me I got sting and me say, wow! With me and Mary. A judgment! Me plead to you. Me say, what you want this? To want somebody for... You not done? Are you care humble? Me ready for now. all your sister where you say box and she a Christian and she have a little baby boy, every blood clot thing, remember. Me no care. There's a difference with me. From a little and I watch TV, me say me nah make nobody blackmail me, I talk. Blood clot there. You cannot hide behind blood clot door and not tell lie for me. When me I talk the truth, what you do? The whole of them I got blood clot, wonder. It's like how you obstruct my family. The whole of me pitney them, all cute to done me pitney them and all I wish to say about me, you them. You work both ways. Go ball for family. The last time you compare to the whole of my family, them a ball. No family now ball for you. None of them don't care about you. If you thank God for them other them. That conniving mama. Me not up on him page. Him block me from long time. I'm not on his page, but anything him do, me say same way. Listen. The man move on and the man a live him life. The man, me can't tell him if to post and me can't stop him from post. And him can't stop me from... You see, for me feel some type of way how him use me, me a create problem, man. Me bad. You understand the difference? If me feel some type of way I me feel for not say nothing, me not say nothing. Yeah, man, do it rude, man. Him do too much. And then I come play a victim. And then the dirty stinking farmers, big pussy come ball about me, I cuss your mother. Yeah, your man from long time, that's why you beg with your friend. Vex with your blood clot friend who come at your window, where I tell your mother, say, we're going to suck your mother over at blood clot, go. Jealous of who? Jealous of blood clot who? Me a drunk and shit house. Me not nothing for that jealous over. Low blood clot, me got class self. Move your blood clot. You think your woman can make me no dirty blood clot self. Go! In my heart, me no dirty blood clot.
Alright, some people. Alright, just some me in it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Because boy Queenie say nah, stop bring down do it. And me know say Queenie must regret all of the time them where she diss the people them for do it. You see me? And you saw she did love him. I know she has said this. Say him this and him that. Boy, me tell you, when relationship turns sour, you're gonna hear all of the bad things them. So let me know what you think with people.